How to install the Meso Customs Ultimate Turn Signals in 1 minute. Let's go. Step 1. Remove the mirror cover. Step 2. Remove the 2 OEM turn signal screws. Step 3. Unclip the turn signal wires. Step 4. Unclip the OEM turn signal by pinching the clip shown here, and then remove the turn signal from its housing. Step 5. Detach the electrical connector from the OEM turn signal. Step 6. Reattach the electrical connector to the Meso Customs turn signal. Step 7. Reinstall the turn signal. Step 8. Reroute the turn signal wires. Step 9. Reinstall the turn signal screws. Step 10. Reinstall the mirror cover. And that's it. Check out how much cooler the blacked out turn signal looks compared to OEM, and notice how much brighter it is as well.